Hello everybody, it's Professor Kyle back here, and today we're looking at the great wild sheep. As you can see, this camera is picking up every little detail of the sheep's fur because there are more strings of cotton on a sheep than there are seconds in 3 months. That's a 100% fact. This is the wild that we specialize on, and yeah, so
well, its butt is really poopy.
Yeah, as I was gonna say, I think as a wildlife specialist I should always have things to say about the animals, which I clearly didn't. I mean, I think I'm a little bit underrated occasionally. I think I can do better, you know. It's just I don't think that well all the time. So, as you can see, we are looking at the grass in the wildlife world of sheep. We have, of course, the dirt underneath the grass. Sorry, I just forgot about the name. Of course, we also have a few leaves falling from these trees. Yeah, I assume the wind blew them. And what this is where they got the idea of, you know, the famous book, The Truffula Tree. And they based the truffula tree off of this flower because
what's going on, man?
I don't know, it's just I don't know. I don't think I'm meant to be here, man. You know, I think I was meant to be a rapper.
Do you have any verses that you've written?
Well, there is one song, but I couldn't sing it. No. I don't even remember all the lines anyways.
You're probably just being humble. Like, is it good?
Huh?
Is it any good?
Yeah, it's okay.
Do you even remember one line?
Yep.
What is it?
It goes, and up,
So what was that?
The line, it goes, and up,
That's it?
Well, that's one line. I mean, there's...
That's pretty cool, I guess.
Yeah, and then it goes,
So is it in English?
I think so, yeah. Then the next one goes, and then I start, like, rapping, like, so hard. It's, like, amazing.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, the only reason I didn't take up rapping, I guess, was, I mean, I'm already don't get a little nervous when I being filmed by a camera, but being filmed by a camera and rapping is obviously a lot worse, you know. So just kind of figure I couldn't bear it.
So you decided to have a nature show instead?
Yeah, I mean, it's the most creative thing I could think of that I wouldn't, you know, freak out and get super nervous about. But it seems it's not working. Well, I'm gonna go work in a library in Quebec. I'll see you later.